So I feel for you if you're clicking on this tapping video because it means you have been ghosted, and that is never fun. Now, depending on the level of intensity that this is bringing up emotion for you, you can go ahead and start tapping even now and allow yourself to tune in to what kind of different emotions, what different aspects are coming up around this. You know, how your body might be tensing or just feeling like low energy, drained. Just giving yourself a moment to tune into it without forcing anything, as well as the emotional elements, right? Which could range from anger and rage to sadness and shame and turning it in on yourself. So let's start tapping on the side of the hand now and help process some of this. So let's say, even though I was ghosted, and it's bringing up all sorts of feelings, I choose to allow myself to feel whatever I'm feeling right now so that I can process this and move forward in the way that's best for me. So even though it seems I've been ghosted and my mind might be going nuts, trying to make sense of it, trying to figure out what I did or didn't do, what I should or shouldn't do now, if I just need to wait longer, and all the emotions coming up. I choose to have compassion for myself and everything this is bringing up for me. And so even though it seems I have been ghosted, maybe that's totally confirmed. Maybe it's early, but I have the sense. I'm allowing myself to have my reactions, to feel what this is bringing up, so that I can have the space to process these feelings and get more and more clarity on what the right next step for me is. Okay, and let's go through the points now. So, I've been ghosted. I either know I have, or it's looking that way. And this does not feel good. Maybe there's anger, a sense of injustice, perhaps a sense of shock even. How could this person do this? Am I not even worthy of a response? How selfish and obnoxious of them. How incredibly inconsiderate. And depending on the nature of our relationship, this could be downright cruel and irresponsible. And I'm not censoring that right now. Even if my intention is to say, well, let go and let it be, that's not going to really be possible until I'm allowed to process what I need to. And any feelings this is bringing up about myself. Should I have done better? Should I have done something different? What am I believing about myself that this ghosting feels like it confirms? Does this mean something about me? Does this verify something painful? Yeah, maybe it is my looks. Or this always happens to me. Or no one really appreciates me. I'm allowing myself to explore if it feels okay to do so. What the deeper wound is here that makes this hurt even more. And what feelings are behind that? What events may have happened in my past that make me interpret this situation as meaning whatever I believe it does. And I'm looking on that with compassion, allowing myself to give some support and space to whatever inside me may have been wounded in such a way that it's caused me to believe something about myself. That this ghosting is confirming. Just allowing that to move through my body. Allowing myself to question the associations I may have made. Maybe this happened when I was much younger. And I got the impression that these hurtful or negative things about me were just fundamentally true about myself. And what would I say to a young person I care about? How would I be with them if they said to me something like, yeah, people just don't like me. Or, no one will ever really love me. Or, I guess I don't deserve respect. And I just want to be supportive to myself in the way I might be to another in that situation. And it's also totally okay to vent or cry or express whatever I need to help my body move through this. And yes, it may be objectively true that this was inconsiderate and unprofessional or cruel if they did in fact just choose to not respond. But I'm open to the possibility that as I process this and perhaps go deeper with whatever meanings or past events may have shown up, that it will be possible to see this purely for what it is. That yes, it may very well be an inconsiderate or passive-aggressive or mean way to do things. And it's not fun. But maybe it won't mean the more painful things I think it means about me. And maybe it's revealed something about the other person that's just really sad to discover. And it's okay to give myself permission to grieve that, to process whatever shock might be there. Wow, I can't believe this person is even capable of this. And letting myself really have that reaction, to grieve it and process it, so that I'm not just trying to tell myself to move on or forget about them because they're not worth it. That's not going to work until I give myself the respect and compassion that this person didn't give me, to give that to my own emotions, my own self to respond, to be listened to and heard, so it can then feel that it can move on, that it's been seen and understood and validated and supported, and letting myself know I'm going to be okay. I will get past this. And I'm open to whatever guidance or insight I need to help me get fully past this. And it's totally possible for me, even if I don't fully see it now. This will continue to expand and release and take me where it needs to. And I deserve to have people in my life who communicate better than this. And I will find that, even if right now that doesn't feel possible. I am creating a new possibility. Okay, let's take a breath. Yeah, a lot of places that can go. Let me know if it brought up other places to go. I would be happy to, go further with that. If you're dealing with some things and you want to work together, you can see examples of some one-on-one on this channel. I have a call that meets every week to do one-on-one tapping, and I do one-on-ones as well. There's more info in the description if that's something you're interested in. But I hope this helps. Repeat as necessary. Try some of the other tappings if you find that you resonate with this approach. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Take care.